Hello, Supermind Hackathon team. So yeah, it's me Vivek Shah from team Edgy Coders, and I'm here on behalf of the whole team Edgy Coders to give you an overview of the whole project that we have built, the hackathon project that we have built. And the team comprises of two more members that are first of all me and Vivek Shah, and the other two members are Bhagirath Patel and Vraj Shah. So yeah, let's come upon the project part, the project demo. Yeah, so what we have done is we have created a social media engagement analysis tool, and this tool works much better than you can think of. Let's say if we have just the engagement data or some amount of data for the social media posts that you have created till date, then you can just upload a CSV file into a platform. We'll be using that CSV file, the data that you have provided. We'll be enriching the data and will be generating way more insights than than you can think of. Yeah, so let's say for just for the demo, we are using the load from database option. There are two options: load from database and upload a CSV file. If you have a CSV file, then you can for sure upload it here. Okay, let's say we'll be uploading a CSV file here. Okay, so yeah, let me pull out a CSV file. mm, yeah, this is it. Okay, so I've uploaded the CSV file, and then we'll be loading the CSV file. And yeah, that's it. We have loaded the CSV file within seconds. So yeah, upon loading, we can check what post type it is, what timestamp it is, what comments, likes, and share ratio is it. Okay. Let's proceed to another part, and let's proceed on the analysis part, the main part uh, of our project. So yeah, on the analysis part, as you can see, we have used Gradio for sure. So we have got some major UI improvements and UI freedoms that you can use while inputting the data. Let's say what you want to do is you want to select some matrices, then you can select and deselect them from the UI only. Let's say I want the average likes, average shares, and average comments. Let's say I want all the matrices. Okay, so let me just select all the matrices that are possible, that are here. And okay, I have selected all the matrices, and I want to select all the post types. Okay, and we have also compare by option. We can compare by post type or we can compare by date. Let's say we will be comparing by post type only as of now. And okay, so upon clicking on analyzing, the analysis process will start, the analysis procedure will start. It would take some time, let's say around 25 seconds, but it will give you a graphical analysis and and a natural language analysis. With that yeah, that's it. It was much quicker than I thought. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, this is the CSV file. This is the matrix CSV file. And let's say this is just the file that we have got while converting all the metrics that you have provided here. And yeah, this is these above are the metrics, and the post type is this. So let's say let's check upon this thing. Let's see polls. The polls are getting average likes of this. Let's say we want to sort it with the like to comment ratio. Okay. Okay, so the like to comment ratio is most for the stories part. Okay, got it. So the stories are performing much more on the likes than compared to the comments. Adding to that, the static images are getting much more comments than expected. It's about half of the ratio. So yeah, these are the graphical insights that we have got for all the post types that we have mentioned in the dataset, that in the CSV file that we have just uploaded. And yeah, these are the natural language insights generated by OpenAI. So yeah, we have done this whole project using several frameworks. First of all, we have used data stacks, AstraDB of data stacks, and Langflow of data stacks. So not the workflows, these two frameworks play a major role in our project, in the development of the project. So let's go on the flowchart, and let's uh, get it done real quick. Let's get it understood real quick. So we have divided the whole process in 4 layers. First of all will be the data processing and storage layer. Second one will be the data querying and analysis layer. Third one will be the lang flow workflow, and the fourth one will be the Gradio interface. Okay, let's proceed with the first layer. There is the data processing and pre-processing and storage layer. Okay, so we are just scraping the data from social media, the raw social media data, and then we are using that, cleaning the data, transforming the data, making aggregating the data, and making it saved, stored under SRDB. SRDB provides a great amount of support when it comes to database storage. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Adding to that, the second layer is the data querying and analysis layer. The data querying does query the data from SRDB, and uses it to analyze and calculate other matrices that we have seen in the UI also, that are average likes, average shares, engagement ratio, like to comment ratio, share to like ratio, and much more ratios, much more matrices that you can think of. Adding to that, the third layer will be the lang flow workflow layer, where we'll be getting the post type, that we have created the all post types in the first in the demo only, and after then we'll be using the Python functions, and then we'll be using the matrices. After fetching the matrices, we'll be using the matrices for the generation part of the insights. The graphical insights will be generated with the this with the sorry with the natural language insights. So we'll be using OpenAI for both of these things, and the out sorry for the graphical analysis we'll be using Python pandas library, and for the generation part, for the natural language generation part, we'll be using OpenAI model, and the output will be for sure the insights that we'll be getting along. And then we'll be using Gradio interface for various inputs and outputs. It will be acting as just a display panel only. So yeah, sorry, this was it from my end, from team Edgy. So yeah, this team Edgy signing off.